Welcome back, guys. I'm going to show you guys how I took this hula hoop from Walmart and turned it into a balloon hula hoop centerpiece. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, guys, so first of all, I went ahead and I spray painted the hula hoop. I took it outside and I spray painted it. So that's what I'm doing right now in this clip. I don't know if there's a specific way you're supposed to do this, but I just laid some bags out and I spray painted it. So while I was spray painting, I was flipping the hula hoop over. Once I finished one side, I flipped it over to the other side and I was spray painting the other side as well. Now I think I was supposed to let it dry on one side before I went ahead and spray painted the other side, but I was just being so impatient today. So I made it work. It's not really that bad. It came out pretty awesome and I'm proud of myself. So guys, I am like so into this stuff now. I can't wait to do more crafts. Now right here is the clear cordage that I use to tie the balloons together on a hula hoop. I found this way more helpful than tying the balloons together, then tying the balloons around the hula hoop. I felt like it wasn't really secure, so the cordage really helped out a lot. It wasn't hard, but because this is my first big craft, I really had to take my time and like make it look decent. But anyway, what I'm doing right here is tying the balloons together so I can go ahead and get them ready to be put together. So guys, I'm not gonna ramble on anymore. What I'm doing is pretty much self-explanatory. Just watch what I'm doing. This is not a tutorial because I was learning as I was going, but it was really fun to do. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.